Fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So let's just start with the video without any delay. First thing is you can open up the CapCut application on your device. And then once you open it up, you can tap on new project from your screen and select up a picture or a video in which you would like to add in the fade in and fade out effect. So you can just go ahead and do that. And then after it is placed on your timeline like this, the next thing you can do is you can just go ahead and select up the video from your timeline. And then once you select it, you should be finding different editing options below. Now from the options below, you can look out for the option called animations, which is on the third. Tap on it and open up animations. And from here, you can look out for fade in and fade out. So on the third option from we have in, out, and combo. You can go ahead and separately add fade in and fade out. So look out for the fade in option from in section. This one right here, and you can find this one. You can even select the time range, like from for how much second you want the effect to be applied. Similarly, we have out option. Click on out and look for fade out option. After that, you can place it. You can select the seconds for this one as well, and click on right. Even you can head over to combo, and if you have that, you can select that, but for now we can select this option. After that, when you go ahead and play the video, you should be finding the effect being applied of fading and fade out, and that is it. So you may also follow the same process in order to add fade in and fade out in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next